Hey guys, it's Viger. We've got the shirt on, we've got the hat on, which means it's SMG4 reaction time. He's finally back in the States from his time on his lovely tour that I couldn't go to. But we're getting back into the usual shenanigans that we're accustomed to, which couldn't be any more random if we tried. So, the title says it all. We're going to be reacting to SMG4's newest upload, Mario Goes to the Fridge to Get a Glass of Milk. I'm not lying, that is what the video is called. 3, 2, 1, go! I really don't know how this is gonna pan out.
La la la! That was a lots of fun! Hey, I'm a thirsty.
And so it begins.
Oh no! Uh-oh! No more Milky?
I now know what I have to do.
Here we go.
Whoa!
La. Moving on the ground, moving on the ground. Alrighty.
Any in here?
Oh, howdy there, Mario. What's up?
Hello.
Beto, tutto lavato, l'abito. Yahoo! Oh, the milk section's right over there. Yippee! That's a Sonaki! Woohoo!
So it begins.
Guys, he drops out, then you might want to pick it.
Ooh.
Okay, don't worry about it.
I'm gonna kill you and I'll keep killing you and I'll never...
Oh boy.
How you doing?
Mamma mia! No!
Let me guess, yeah, Toadette.
Drop all the milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk.
Why are you still with her?
Oh yeah!
Oh boy.
Go, Ouija.
Salmonella guarantee. Oh no. Just go.
No, you don't.
I am lonely.
Aw. Got it.
Go, Ouija.
Hey, baby, you looking fine.
He broke it all. Nicely done. You freaking idiots.
Hey, Stinky! Do you have any
Milky? No.
Mamma mia.
Okay, brother!
I got it.
Let's do this Mario style.
It's never a good sign.
mia.
But he has a
Bigotti.
plan.
Walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start taking things.
Mario.
Mamma mia.
What?
Yeah, Birdie.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. That is an evil looking smile, Toad.
Mamma mia.
Get in there.
Yeah! Ha ha ha!
Mario's
Winner!
just got a little bit harder. Come here, fishy. There goes Mario's phone.
Mario! Oh.
Oh, jeeves.
Tutto lavato, l'abito! Ah!
Oi!
Crudim! Whoa! Yippee! Wow! No! Empty mouse!
You won't.
You're right there! Oh, hey, Luigi! I choose you!
Oh no.
Oh, Luigi, oh, Luigi.
Ow.
Oh, God! Stand back! I'm warning ya!
Take me alive!
Nicely done. Oh, great. Calm yourself. Oh, Lord.
Hi, guys!
Hi, Steve.
Oh.
We're back in his meme form. And away he goes.
Bye!
Wow! Oh, no.
Don't even try.
Oh, yeah.
Broke him.
Hi, I'm Totoro Sorebaro. Chicochi. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Oh no.
Oh, yeah. Go, Luigi. Hello. Tutto lavato, l'abito.
Hey, Stinky!
Whoa! Mamma mia!
Holy shit! I'm gonna milk you so hard.
Ew.
Ah, crap! I'm Totoro Sorebaro. Go, Luigi. Nintendo. Oh, yeah.
Still playing. My God, Steve.
Oh, let's go. No. Okay.
No.
It's the real
Mario!
Praise Jesus! You should face up to the consequences of your
What
poor
the
decisions!
hell? He's deading it, he's worshipping it, and one got arrested by one.
Hey.
Just another day!
Why are you running?
You're getting 7 across the ass! Oh, hell no.
Oh no. Oh god, no.
Say what?
Oh boy.
Oh no!
Oh god. Steve. Eric. I'd like to point out again that this video is just simply titled Mario Goes to the Fridge to get a glass of milk. And we're here now.
Listen here, motherfucker! Boy, what's it gonna be?
Oh, shit. Kids gone died in that case!
Oh, Jeeves is done for.
Oh, wow. Bye. Okay, bye-bye.
My god, man.
War never changes.
I'll say it does. You got milk fighting cows. Dead.
Alrighty!
Let's go.
Jesus freaking Christ! It's just non-stop there. But my god. Leave it to SMG4 to take a simple premise and just completely destroy it. But, well, that's it for this video. On to the plugs. Check out SMG4 for all the hilarious content that he makes in the past, present, and continues to do into the future. They're all freaking hilarious. Check out Puckle Podcast where me and a bunch of guys, one girl and one guy with sly Puerto Rican, talk about all things Pokemon. Now that Let's Go Pikachu, Let's Go Eevee is out, we have a main series Switch game on the horizon, and Detective Pikachu comes out this year. We have way too much stuff to talk about. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitch, check out the Discord, the TeePublic store, and that is it. And with that being said, I will see you guys when I see you guys. And as always, toodles.
What the actual shit? Where did Amy go? She was right in front of me!
Eggman, come over here!
Ah, my bones! Oh, I know I should have... Why are you doing this?
Sounds like
Oh
me.
my god! That's it! I'm calling the police! 911!
I am
I've
the
been
police!
Dr. Monica's always the
I
funniest.
miss my wife, Tails. I miss her a lot. I'll be back.